Later this year, we're going to be undertaking a massive project to completely rebuild and reassemble an old famous classic. She's been off the road in bits for the last 30 years and is currently stored in around 20 boxes, with unfortunately a load of parts missing. But our challenge is, can we get this old girl back to life and running again? So let's turn the clocks back to 1989 and see the bike in its original condition, and then in some of its later livery. The bike I am talking about was the bike of the late 80s. Back in 1989, Yamaha launched the mighty second generation FZR, the FZR1000 EXUP. The particular bike we're going to attempt to rebuild has been owned by the same person from new and has been featured in numerous magazines back in the early 90s. She actually became quite a famous bike and went through many evolutions both in looks and in engineering. We are going to record the whole rebuild, from unboxing all the way to getting her breathing again. We are going to be posting regular updates on our YouTube channel, so please make sure to subscribe so you can keep track of the build and our progress. Keep an eye out for later on this year.